In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Google Authenticator account and restore Google Authenticator. When you lose access to Google Authenticator, it can feel pretty stressful because many of your logins might depend on those codes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the very first step, finding the right recovery information directly from Google, so you can safely start the process of getting your account back. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you usually use. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because you'll be navigating through Google's help pages and possibly signing into your Google account later. Now, go to the address bar at the top of your browser and type in google.com if you're not already on the Google homepage. Press Enter to load the page. This is where we'll start our search for the official recovery instructions. In the Google search box, carefully type the phrase, "How to recover Google Authenticator account. Restore Google Authenticator." This search term is specific enough that it usually brings up the most relevant help articles and support pages related to Google Authenticator recovery. Take a moment to double-check your spelling before you hit Enter, so you get accurate results. Once the search results load, you'll see a mix of links, including videos, community discussions, and help center articles. What you're looking for here is the official guidance from Google. Typically, this will appear as a link from Google's own domain, such as a Google Help Center page. These official pages are the most reliable and up-to-date, and they'll walk you through options for recovering your codes, moving Authenticator to a new device, or using backup methods. At this stage, don't click on random third-party sites that promise quick recovery or ask you to share personal information. Stick to trusted, recognizable sources, ideally from Google itself. This keeps your account more secure and helps you avoid scams. From here, you can follow the step-by-step instructions on the page you've opened. They will usually explain what to do if you still have access to your Google account, how to transfer Authenticator to a new phone, and what options you have if you're completely locked out. That's the basic first step, using a focused Google search to locate the official recovery instructions for Google Authenticator, so you can begin restoring access in the safest way possible.